Happy holidays to all of you. I am so glad that you joined me today for an impromptu video. I do have a ThredUp mystery unboxing to share with you today. I'm Kelly Schaffner. If you're new to my channel, I am so glad that you are here today. And these are my new eyebrows. What do you think? I am still trying to get used to them, but guys, I am so excited and happy when I wake up. I actually have eyebrows. And if you have no idea what I am talking about, check out my last video. I talk more about that. I'm veering from my regularly scheduled programming due to technical difficulties. But I did mention before that I do have some ThredUp mystery boxes sitting in my garage, and I'm having a really difficult time uploading the video du jour. So I decided I'm going to open a ThredUp DIY, I believe it's a DIY designer box. This is the first time I've ever ordered this box. I have always been curious about it, but the cost has prevented me. Well, actually, that's not true. It's not the cost that has prevented me, it's the availability. These designer boxes sell out very quickly. I ordered this box in September. There was no discount. I wasn't able to use, well, I used credits that I already had on site, but you can use points, and I was not able to use points. This was $140, $10 shipping, also tax on top of that, so roughly about $155 for 7 items. But guys, it's my birthday, and I thought 7 items, this should be a quick video, and this just feels like a great time to treat myself. I have cut the tape, and I'm gonna open this up, guys, so we can get a reveal. I do have my receipt here, $140. This is the same price as 50 pounds of bulk clothing, and I'm only getting 7 items. This box came from Suwanee, Georgia, and I can't see a thing, nothing. Oh my gosh. I am nervous, I am excited. Let's open it up. There's a bag on top. I don't like selling bags. And I can't tell what bag this is from first glance, but that's what it looks like. So let me set it right here and we will dive in. This is a canvas bag. It's green. I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but this is a green bag. Here is a label. Let's see. Oh, this is MZ Wallace. I've never even seen this bag in the wild, but I don't source bags. Oh, this has a smell to it. It just smells musty. So this is what it looks like. It does have, oh, that's a zipper pull, but it does have a place for a crossbody. So let's hope that the crossbody is inside the bag, and it's not. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It looks pretty clean. My dogs are being very loud right now, but this does look clean, and it seems to have more than one compartment. There's a compartment. I don't know why. I guess just because I'm not familiar with this brand, but I never even considered that this was like a designer. I was hoping for like Prada and stuff like that, Burberry. Okay, but I still have a shot, right? Because there are 6 more items. I like this bag. It does need to be aired out. It does smell musty, and it looks like it's in good condition, but it is missing the crossbody strap. This, I think, is a perfect bag for right now, for this season. Okay, and there's a little curling on the leather here. It does have leather trim on it. I'm not a handbag expert, so I don't have a lot of opinions. This looks like a puffer or quilted coat, I think, of some sort. It's a burgundy color coat. The brand is Hobbs London. This is a size 18. Hobbs London. That's what it looks like. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'm guessing maybe European, British. This is what it looks like. Did you see that little gold bar? It is also branded right there. So this jacket looks like to be about hip length. It has zippered pockets. Let's see if there's anything in the pockets. No, but zippered pockets. It's fully lined. It's lightweight. I wonder, it's probably not down. This is probably a polyfill. It is polyamide, polyester, lining is acetate, and the trim is cotton. So, okay, I will have to look this up. I will have to put comps on the screen for you because so far I have never sold these brands. I'm not real familiar with these brands. Are these designers? You guys let me know. Something in floral, new with tags, floral, baby pink, OS, Ted Baker. You see that? Ted Baker. And oh, it's okay. It's a scarf. And it's pretty. And it's new with tags. And it looks more like springtime. I don't know. Can I get my money back on this piece? I hope so. I do like selling Ted Baker. My favorite is a Ted Baker dress, and I'm guessing this will not fetch me very much, but I don't really know. I see shoes, and I was hoping to get shoes, but I do have one other piece of clothing, and it doesn't feel that great. Feels like a nylon netting. It's Burberry. Established in 1856. I'm not wearing glasses, guys, but it is Burberry. You can see right there. You can see right through this, and there is no camisole to go with this little top. So it's like a peplum top. It's cute. The fabric is really getting me. Let me see. Yeah, the tag looks legit. That is a Burberry tag. Hold on, where's my phone? With the help of my phone, I did discover that this is actually a wool, rayon, and nylon top. I have no idea. It doesn't have any Burberry branding. So that can make it more difficult, I think, to sell. That's just been my experience. We'll see how it does. 1, 2, 3. I've already opened 4 pieces. Okay, all right. I have what looks like maybe Chloe, but it's not. It's not. Oh, I got 2 unmatching shoes. Let me see. Where's the match? This is not Chloe. This is Salvatore Ferragamo. And these are little and skinny. This scalloped edging here had me thinking maybe it was Chloe, but this is actually like a bric-a-brac. So it's like a heeled flat. Wonder, these are a size 7 AAA. Suede black shoes. There is some wear on the bottom. It looks like someone had put some slip guards on the bottom. The heels, they look okay. That's what the heels look like. I will list these. These will sell. I'm not really excited. I do like Ferragamo. I prefer the more recent Ferragamo. Let's see. I pulled these pretty. These are beautiful shoes. Beautiful, beautiful shoes. Oh my gosh. And they are in really, really nice condition. So this is a shimmer, sparkle, stiletto, peep toe, sling back, and the brand on this one is, let me get it where you can see it, Manolo Blahnik. These are a size 40 and 1/2, 40 and a half. So maybe a size 10, 10 and a half. Let's see. Oh, those heels look beautiful. These were probably worn one time. I mean, there is no wear on that inside tag, no discoloring. These are in really beautiful shape. They probably need a dust down, but this makes me very, very happy. Manolo Blahnik, Blahnik, I don't know. Manolos, that's what I call them. And this is it, guys. This is the last, and they're a pair of boots. And this is a heavy pair of black suede. I'm guessing these are leather boots. They do have a zip on the back and zips on both sides. I wonder if these are working zippers on both sides. That side works, they both work. So that's nice. I can get to the brand, Kenzo. Again, I've never sold this brand. Can you see it in there, Kenzo? Does it say it? It does say it on the bottom. These are Kenzo and they are a size 39. Let me check for condition. They look pretty good. Now, the suede looks a little scuffed up, but they just don't have much wear. Look at the bottoms, how little wear. The heels are impeccable. These feel so nice. It's a brand I've never ever sold before. I hope that the comps that I'm sharing with you right now are really good. I might try these on myself if I kept a piece, because I'm a birthday girl. My birthday's in 3 days. Maybe these, I could try these on and see if they are comfortable. I'm not really in need of black boots. But if I had to keep a piece, it would be a toss-up between the Kenzo black suede, block-heeled boots, and I think this MC Wallace bag. Because I kind of like this. I think it's growing on me. I have been wearing a crossbody belt bag for about 6 months. And it's small and it carries everything I need, but I feel like I might want to throw that belt bag into this bag and just look more grown up, right? Would that happen? So how did I do with this box? Honestly, I'm not sure. A lot of new to me brands. I have sold Ted Baker, Burberry, and Manolo's before. Manolo's usually sell pretty well for me, and the condition of these is great, and the season is perfect. And this box has been sitting in my garage for a while. So yeah, I opened it at just the right time. You guys probably know better than I did how this box is going to turn out. Please let me know your opinions on this box in the comments below. Thanks a million for joining me today. I hope that the holidays are treating you very, very well. I know we are all busy, right? The to-do list just gets longer and longer during the holidays, and I really appreciate you spending a little piece of your day with me. I have got to open some more of my mystery boxes, and I'll show you why. Oh, you guys, this is the newest member to the Shaffner family. This is Buddy. Can you say hello? Can you say hello to my friends? Say hello. Okay. So this is what I am working on today. You see these last 2 boxes here. This is the end of my ThredUp bulk box order. But here is what I'm working on today. This great big, beautiful trunk. Yeah, check it out in relation to the size of the box. I purchased this trunk for my son for Christmas, and I plan to fill it with his Christmas gifts, and I have to ship it cross country. I'm hoping that if I unbox these 2 boxes of mystery clothing, I can somehow create a box that is going to get this gorgeous trunk. It has a marking over here too. It says Chas Boyer. I had better get busy. I have 100 pounds of clothing to unbox today. I will share that with you in future videos. So make sure you're subscribed if you enjoy mystery unboxings. Wish me luck on getting that trunk all packed up. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed yourself today. Thank you so much for joining me for Thriftmas, Vlogmas. Happy holidays. You guys are the best, and blessings to all of you.